Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to BD Sweeties. I really hope that you have enjoyed the past few videos of my sweet treats and are attempting to make some of the recipes. It has been a challenge to continue to make these videos on schedule, but I am determined to stay on my schedule Thursday post. Today I am going to make a simple ice cream, and the ice cream can actually be made within 30 minutes. Made within 30 minutes, placed in the freezer for about 15 to 30 minutes depending on how solid you want the ice cream. But it can be made within 30 minutes. The ingredients are very simple. You're just going to need maybe about 5 ingredients at the very most. Actually, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 ingredients, but it's again very simple and I think you're going to love it. Channel, please be sure to like and subscribe at the button below, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave those for me, or if you have any suggestions on something you'd like me to try, I'll definitely try that for you. But again, thanks for watching my channel, and let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some peppermint or mint chocolate chip ice cream. These are the ingredients we'll need: some chopped chocolate chips, a carton of heavy whipping cream, some peppermint emulsion, some mint colored food coloring, measuring cups, a spatula or a spoon, and a can of condensed milk. Now that I have the color that I need, I'm going to go ahead and add some of the chocolate chip. And then we'll just fold those chocolate chips in. We're not so much trying to stir it as we are just to fold them in and incorporate it. And at this point, your ice cream is actually ready. And so your ice cream is ready. Now I'm going to put it into some containers that I have, that I maybe had soup in from a takeout, but I'll put it in those containers and label it, put it in the refrigerator. The bowl is still very cold. This is going to be fabulous. And remember, you can do it with any flavor you like. So I always try to make a big one. I'll clean that up. And then I'll make a small one. So, because this is addictive. Yeah, I'll make a small one so that I can eat that first and leave the rest for my guest. So now I'll take the containers and I'll just bang them a little to get any air out. You can actually, at this point, take some chocolate chips that you have, and you can add those on top if you like. I'll add just a few on mine, on the small one. And the ice cream is ready to go into the freezer. It is now 5:02, and I started, I believe, at 4:50. So I'll put the top on these, put them in the freezer, and I'll come back in about 15 minutes and they should be ready to be dipped. And there we have it, chocolate chip mint ice cream. Enjoy, it's very refreshing. So there you have it, my less than 15-minute made ice cream. Takes about 15 minutes to freeze, and you and your family can enjoy, or you and your loved one can enjoy whenever. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next Thursday with an even easier video. I'm thinking maybe at some point we'll do a live and everybody can have the few ingredients needed to do that sweet treat. But we'll talk about it, or I'll discuss it on the next video. Thanks everybody. Thanks for liking my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.